Why are there not more people talking about July 17th? It's not just another day on the calendar, it's a beacon of hope for millions seeking justice across the globe. Every year on July 17th, we mark the World Day for International Justice, also known as the Day of International Criminal Justice or International Justice Day. This day commemorates the historic adoption of the Rome Statute, the treaty that brought the International Criminal Court into being. From the heart-wrenching atrocities of war to crimes that challenge our humanity, the need for a robust international justice system has never been more critical. The International Criminal Court stands as a guardian of this justice, tirelessly working to ensure that no crime against humanity goes unpunished. This day is not just about remembering the past, it's about building a future where justice serves as a universal language spoken fluently across all nations. It's a day we unite to honor the resilience of survivors and the relentless spirit of those who advocate for justice. By observing this day, we pay homage to a system that strives to uphold the dignity and rights of every individual, ensuring that the scales of justice balance fairly for all. It's a moment to reflect on our collective role in supporting and strengthening this vital institution. As we continue to face new challenges and confront injustices, let us remember the importance of this day. It's a day to reaffirm our commitment to international justice, to acknowledge the progress made, and to energize our efforts towards a just and equitable world. Join us in marking July 17th as a pivotal day in our global calendar, because justice matters, today and every day.